We'll start by removing the nails out of the shingle that is going to be replaced. One here. Another one here. That nail has popped through, which is fine because this is the shingle that's being replaced. Okay. I was only able to remove one nail. The other nails just popped right through the shingle, tore through the shingle. Okay. Now in order to remove this shingle, I've got to remove this shingle as well. Because there's nails in this shingle here, but also up here. Nice and easy, gentle. Nail right here, that's attached to this shingle. This one's more important to try to be careful because we're not replacing this shingle, we're replacing this shingle. So I can't damage this shingle while trying to remove these nails. So I'm going to do it the best I can here. It's already trying to pop through. No other nails in these shingles. Looks like they only used 3 or 4 nails per shingle, and you should really be using 6. Another nail here. Okay. Another nail here. It should slide out now unless there's still a nail or two. It looks like there's another nail way up here. See how high that nail is? Right here. Not anywhere near where it should be.